Hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mud Outdoors. I am back out at my hunting property. Haven't been here in a couple weeks. Haven't posted a cooking video. Turkey season is just around the corner, so I'm just going to kind of drive around a little bit, see if I can see anything, see what's going on the property. But while I was here, I'm of course going to cook some lunch for me today. So what do I have here? I have some chunk white turkey, some turkey gravy mix, some turkey stuffing, and some garlic mashed potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and cook a turkey dinner, or turkey lunch I should say. We're using my GI mess kit, my Pathfinder pack stove. I got some water here in my Pathfinder canteen cook set. So let me go ahead and kind of get the stove hooked up to the gas, and then when we're ready to start cooking, we'll bring you back. Alright everybody, so let's go ahead and try to get this meal cooked. So right now I'm just going to open up my Pathfinder pack stove. I love this thing, so I think this is episode 8 maybe with my Pathfinder pack stove that I have in this series. I think we're on 8. So you see me do this before. You take the stove out, you simply screw in this bottom piece, right like that. Pop your cap off your fuel canister, and then you're just going to put this right here and attach your canister. Nice and good. Hand tight is perfect. Got my that's good. Make sure the valve's off. It is. I'm going to extend the legs on this stove just because we're going to use the frying pan. It's a little bit awkward, so I want to give as much area as I can of the pot of the pan on top of there. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my mess kit. So here's my plate. And I'm going to use my GI mess kit utensils, fork, knife, spoon. So yeah, so this is good and getting kind of, I love this pan. I used it a couple times now, so it's getting some nice patina on there and some good seasoning. So let's go ahead and turn the stove on. There we go. Now it's a little windy today, but I didn't put up the windscreen, so I think I can make it all work without it. I'm just going to turn it down as low as I possibly can without it going out, because I know this is like a thinner stainless steel mess kit, so I know it does get really hot really quick. So my plan is I'm just going to put the turkey in, start heating that up, because remember this is already cooked, and then I'm going to leave the water that it comes in and leave that in the pan, and then I'm just going to open up a couple of these things and kind of sprinkle it on top and add some water from my canteen and mix it all in, and when it's nice and hot and cooked, we should be good to go. So you know, I'm just going to kind of do this on the fly. But what's cool about this, right, is everything here. I could have opened these things and broken them down into smaller little plastic bags, right, to portion size it, because again, I'm not going to use this whole box. I'm not going to use all these potatoes. I'm not going to use all this gravy mix. So what I'll do is after I open and put a little bit in, we'll just save it for some other dinner I'm going to do again next time. So let's go ahead and open our turkey. Alright, and everything that's here will get in the garbage. We don't leave anything at the property. Just going to put that in here. That's perfect. Let's see. Just use a spoon to kind of get out some of that turkey that's in there. Okay. Alright, again, all the garbage is going to be thrown away. Let's see. So now, I'm going to take a little bit of gravy mix. Open this. There we go. Add a little bit in here. Like this. Save some of that for later. I'm going to open up these potatoes. And I'm just going to drop a little, some of it in here. There we go. Okay. Drop a little bit of these roasted potatoes in here. And then we're going to open up this turkey stuffing. Alright, let's see. There's a place to open. No, alright, so I'm just going to use my Buck Ghost pocket knife that I showed in one of my other videos. Open this a little bit, and I'm going to get a little bit wider. Let's do it safely. Open the knife and away. There we go, like that. Perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and, I hope you can see that, just kind of add some stuffing. Alright, add that in right there. And again, we're going to keep all that stuff for another meal. And I'm just going to take some water from my canteen. I'm not even going to take it out of the case. I'm just going to add. Alright, add a little bit there. And if we need more, if we need to add more, we will. I expect we will. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on the stove right here. Start heating that up, and I'm just going to gently stir this with the potatoes and the gravy and stuffing. And we're going to just add this all together. So now you can see it's all mixed together, but what happens is, right, that stove is so hot that it's not giving the chance for the stuffing, right, to kind of cook. So I'm going to add a little bit more water here, like that, because the water will burn off as it boils. There we go. That stuffing cook with that turkey and gravy. I mean, look at that. It's just awesome. Awesome quick meal, especially you do this again. What's good about this, I'm gonna turn it down. It's barely on because I don't want it to burn. But again, there's enough here for I can have another meal just like this, except for the can of turkey. Those are pretty small. I'll just go get another one. But I'll just go home and put these in bags and label it, and then that way I know that I'll have garlic potato mix, turkey gravy mix, and stuffing. Absolutely perfect, and quite honestly, it's pretty much ready to eat right now. So, I mean, nice. It's very nice. I love this pack stove because you can really control the temperature and the flame as opposed to a rocket stove. Absolutely love it. So I've got it down real low as possible. You can go. Again, like I said, it's not too windy, but I think it just blew out, didn't it? Yes, it did. There we go. You have to speak, right? I thought I'd get away with it. And of course not, right? I should have put up my little windscreen. But yeah. I think this is, I mean, everything's really cooked. You just had to like hydrate the stuffing and the gravy. I think it looks great. I don't think I need to do anything else. So I'm just going to let it heat a little bit longer here. And then as soon as you, see, the wind's, that wind's giving me a little bit of trouble, but that's okay. This looks really great. This is going to be delicious. So I'll tell you what, I think we're about done here because I don't want to burn the stuffing on the bottom of my mess kit here. It just makes it harder to clean later. Alright, so let's go ahead and just turn this off. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you what that looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, and I didn't bring any hot sauce or anything else, but that sure would go good right now. This looks absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and do a taste test here right on camera. Some turkey and some stuffing. Yeah, it's really good. This is just like I like to make after Thanksgiving. You just take the leftover potatoes, gravy, turkey, stuffing, throw it into a big pot, and just kind of heat it all up like this. I love this kind of like Thanksgiving hash. It's absolutely great. And boy, is it delicious. It's nice to have a good hearty meal when I'm out here doing some walking around the property. So, all right, well, I'll tell you what, it's good to be out here again. It's great to make another cooking video. And we've got a bunch of videos coming out for you soon. A couple more cooking videos. I also got some new gear I want to show you. We're going to do some work on the truck here and get some things added. So really looking forward to showing you some of this stuff. Appreciate all the likes, subscribes. We're up to 617 as of today. Really appreciate it. The views were about 2,600 lifetime for a 365-day period. So it's about halfway to get to that monetized point. But, you know, but like I said, I do it for fun. If we get there, great. If we don't, we don't. But I really appreciate all the help and support. And we'll have another video for you soon. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.